Welcome back again to another video, and in this one we want to talk about how to check Instagram video views. Now, as you know, Instagram has multiple different places where you can just publish videos. So in case you publish your video as a story, once you upload it, you're gonna then be able to swipe up on it and see the exact views and even the specific people which have viewed your story. But obviously this only works within 24 hours. Once it disappears, you cannot just check out the views anymore or the specific people who viewed it. So that's something that you should pay attention to. However, you can also just check it out for any specific videos, right? So in case you check it out for a reel, you go ahead and go to the reel section. You're gonna find out that you can see right away that this post has a couple of million likes, comments, shares, but you cannot see the views directly. However, you can go to their profile and just check it out on their profile, and here we have the views button as well. So you can see that this video has received like 19.6 million views, and it's indicated by this eye icon. Obviously, when you're just scrolling through the reels or whatever, you cannot just see it right away because you can only see the likes, comments, and shares. But when you go to their profile, you can just notice directly that it has this amount of views. So I'm not saying it's like a little bit hidden away, but it's not directly visible when scrolling through the reels. Also, when you have your own content, you can also just check out your dashboard or analytics on Instagram, and you can just check it out very easily, your insights and just videos, interactions, followers. But this only applies to you as a person and your personal content there. So that's something that I wanted to share with you. Hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the thumbs up, subscribe below so you don't miss videos like these, and I'll see you in the future.